Kicking a soccer ball. 4 steps to kicking a soccer ball: the approach, plant foot, striking the ball, follow through. Finally, putting all these steps together helps you kick a soccer ball. Forces on a soccer ball. It is against gravity. If there was no gravity, the soccer ball would be in the air and never come down, and so would the player. When kicking a soccer ball up, gravity is pushing down on the ball. Some other forces involved are weight, friction, acceleration, and momentum. Newton's 3 laws in action during kicking. The first law: when a soccer ball is at rest, it will stay non-moving unless someone kicks it or moves it. The soccer ball will continue moving until friction or someone stops the ball. Second law: the heavier the soccer ball, the slower it will move, or if the player is heavier, he will not be able to run as quick. Third law: when you kick the ball, it is action. Reaction would be the goalie catching the ball. The approach. Before you kick the ball, you must first approach the soccer ball. The hamstrings and glutes help stabilize the hip during running. The hamstrings and quads flex and extend the knee, and the plantar flexors help flex the ankle. During extension, hamstrings are eccentric or lengthening and quads are concentric. During flexion, hamstrings are concentric and quads are eccentric. Plant foot. Next step is to plant the foot by the ball. The next step is important because it will determine where on the ball you plan on kicking. Muscle involved is flexor hallucis brevis, which helps bend the toe in order to stabilize the foot. The abdominal muscles and postural muscles also help stabilize the body and keep balance. In this step, stabilization is key. Striking the ball. Next step is striking the ball. In order to do this, the dominant foot is plantar flexed and hip is extended. The gluteus maximus and the hamstrings help extend the hip. The gastroc muscles helps with plantar flexion. The hamstrings are eccentric and quads are concentric in this stage. Follow through. After striking the ball, it is important to follow through because that will determine how much power and accuracy your kick will have. The hip is flexed and internally rotated. Muscles involved are the gluteus group, hamstrings, and sartorius. At the knee, you have the quads and hamstrings involved in order to extend and flex the hip. Muscles to strengthen. In recap, main muscles involved during kicking would be the hamstrings, quads, gastroc, and glutes, and TFL. The core muscles also help stabilize the body during this process. In order to strengthen these muscles, there are various exercises that can be done. The leg press, hamstring curls, TKEs, 4-way hip band resisted heels, and toe raises, squats, and planks. It is always important to stretch these muscles as well. The leg press can help with quads, hamstring curls with hamstrings, TKEs can help extend the knee, 4-way hip band resisted can help with flexion, extension, adduction, and abduction. Heel and toe raises help the gastroc and the soleus. Squats can help the quads, and planks can help stabilize the core.